they're fine.
There you go. Okay? They're bodies.
You want fine.
Okay, go ahead. Can you reach? Don't squeeze them too hard. Put them right down in there.
Put him down on the ground.
There you go.
There you go, you little buddy.
Don't squeeze them too hard, okay? You gotta be real gentle. There you go.
Look at that. I love them.
Snake up. Or she.
Amelia's turn.
There we go.
Are you super excited?
Yes.
What's your favorite thing about this?
Getting the chicks inside there.
You like picking them up?
Yeah.
That's good. Spin down like that. Spin. And we're going to take it and go. Boop. That's good. Ready? You want help, buddy? Both of you guys. No, stay right there. Stay right there. You grab underneath. Alright, you ready? Now we take this, do the same thing. Put it on. And we're going to take it. Sit down here. Ready? And upside down. And let it fill up. See how that works? It's filling. And once it gets up to there, it'll stop. Put it right here. Back in the glass.
More chickens are playing. Daddy, more chickens are playing. One gun.
4 chickens are playing?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chickens are playing. 4, 5. Let me count.
I
1,
wish I had a top.